Had to get my little refill. Can I get a refill?
Not wrong. I got you a raffle ticket. If they call your number out, you know that Yoshi truck, you get a full pass of that bitch in the passenger seat. Alright, so make sure when they call that raffle, you get to ride in it.
Yeah.
Raffle right now.
Yeah.
I can't ride no more, so I got you one.
Okay.
Call that number, bro. If you win, you get to ride the full pass of that Yoshi truck.
Imagine Funky Town in the passenger seat of Yoshi.
If he goes sideways, he better get back, stay in that bitch. Don't get out of it.
Yeah.
If he get out of it, I don't never want to ride with his motherfucking ass no more. If he goes sideways, he better stay in it.
Yeah.
It'll straighten up.
Yeah.
Get that
Okay.
number, bro.
Hey,
They gonna call it later on.
look at it. All he gotta do is hit that scramble button. It'll straighten up.
Yeah.
Straighten that bitch up.
Yeah.
Don't get off of it because
Yeah.
you're a wreck like he did.
Yeah.
Stay in that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hit the scramble. When he do all this, hit the scramble button on that bitch.
Yeah.
It'll straighten up then.
Yeah.
Then the motherfucker going on down.
Yeah.
Then, John, I see you when I come back. If he get out of it, I'm going to be a mad motherfucker.
Yeah, you
better
ain't
stay in.
You want to get the full
You
experience.
better stay in that bitch.
Boom.
Boom. Better stay in that bitch.
Yeah. I hope you win, bro. That'd be fucking
boom,
funny as fuck. Hey, you better have a phone. Tell him to give you his shit so you can keep the video of that shit.
Yeah,
bro.
I'm gonna have to
For
get
real.
Funky Town a video.
Yeah, you gotta get a video of that bitch. That bitch
I'm going to
nasty.
win, too, though.
Yeah.
I'm going to win, what?
That's gonna be good.
I'm going to win like a motherfucker, John.
Yeah.
Put a GoPro in there with him.
I got my GoPro with me today too. I got my GoPro with me today. Insta 360. It'll be a good one. I'll put it right in there if he get a ride. I got that Insta 360. Got the battery charge.
Going low 4 seconds down.
Stay in that bitch. If we do all them twists, hey, man, I'm going to hit, if I'm, hey,
Yeah.
he better not show me what a
Scrabble, but that you will press that
He
mother.
gonna hit that hoe.
If he try to get out, he gonna straighten up.
Yeah. Somebody. Oh, what's up with it? Oh, damn, they on you TikTok, y'all. That's how the TikTok be looking. We got somebody hiding over here. Hey, girl, she high, y'all. She on probation. She can't be out here, y'all. Y'all having a good time out here? Me too. Me too. What is that? I'm scared of that, man. I'm scared. Hey, one of the reasons I watched Funky Town wearing pajamas. Yeah, he got that. That was my first lookout shirt right there. They said, "Girl, don't hide." Suck that bird back up. I'm trying to wait. It seemed like that Buchanan. Did it hit me yet? I don't feel like I got no what percentage am I on? About 30? Hey, TikTok, make sure y'all coming over to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. When y'all get over there, let me know so I can shout you out. Oh, okay, yeah. My boy say it is kicking in because I started singing. Yeah, that is right. Yeah, it is kicking in. I'm trying to welcome all my TikTokers. When y'all get to my YouTube channel, let me know so I can give you a shout out on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Lookout Racing. Look out. Boy, that thing there got a violent little leave on it. Circle of Life says somebody done came in there being rude. Get them, girl. Circle of Life gonna get on your ass. She been watching for about 20 minutes. Circle of Life. Who did something wrong, girl? She gonna tell it. Who she work for? Circle of Life, girl. I'm finna make you a moderator. Get him, girl. Circle of Life trying to Paper Rap Moonshine just came over from TikTok. Dusty Lofkin, what's up with it? Hey, Tiffany Davis. Don't I know you? I'm trying to think. I know her Davis. Yeah, my TikTokers, man. Circle of Life. Can you put my YouTube channel in the comments? Josh Anderson just came from TikTok. Look out, Josh Anderson. Appreciate you pulling up one time for the one time. Limpy is standing across from you. Where? That ain't Limpy. Somebody thought that was Limpy. That is not him. And that ain't him. I don't see Limpy. I don't see nobody else. Dustin Lofkin say that drink kicking in. Yes, I love it when it kicks in. Don't you love when that liquor start kicking in? You be on, oh yeah, he got that Modelo, y'all. Don't you love, hey, don't show them. Don't show TikTok, they be hating. Okay, we got on from TikTok. Oh, here comes somebody. Brian Baker, look out, Brian Baker. Oh, they call me G-Bot. Hey, appreciate you. They call me G-Bot for putting my my YouTube channel on TikTok, man. Let them know, man. Rob G Film got me on the big screen, guys. Josh Anderson.
Hey, where you from, bro?
Dallas, East Dallas. Alrighty, guys, got something coming. Oh, this that junkyard stud. Boy, this thing here be flying. Y'all might want to get on my YouTube channel for this and so y'all can see it in HD. He tried to do a half-track burnout. Oh, Stu, my bad. Junkyard Stu.